This cabinet is going to need the most work for sure, especially with the laminate on the outside. It is going to need a ton of work. So I went ahead and did the smaller one first and painted the cabinet front, sanded it, cleaned them, disinfected them, and they're coming along real nice. And the color, I like this gray. So the fronts come out. I've already got hardware for it. Now what I need to do is fortify the inside. So I have to make 3 or 4 more of these pieces. They fit right here for the drawer slides to slide on, just like so. And what I have is wood here. I already set aside the same thickness. I just have to cut it to size and route it. So that's what we're going to do. I have both pieces cut the same, and then I have to route the ends. So I can use a router or cut it with the table saw. Either one will work. I'm going to use a router. As you can see, both pieces cut the exact same size. At the top, I'm going to route both ends so it'll fit in the slot. Try to use a jigsaw for it. I don't like how uneven that slot is, so I'm going to use the chisel and hammer so it'll be nice and straight and I can take my time with it. Here, probably going to just file this side down, make this notch more pronounced and even, and then notch the other side out. Compared to the first one and the original. Now the original looks the best because it's a different type of wood. As you can see, this is more spaced out fibers. This is more tight together, but I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty close. That first one was with the jigsaw. I don't like that one, but that's the handmade one I did. Okay, so we've got 2 more to make. Nail stopping it. Let's see, yeah, nail stopping it. So I gotta get that nail straightened and knock it in. Out. So it's going to need some glue because this is definitely walking against the wall.